Hello, hello, hello. So I wanted to do another video. I want to focus on some Facebook events. I've done a lot of Facebook events. I want to show you how to do some marketing on Facebook events, mostly on scheduling. A lot of people don't know this, but inside of Facebook, anytime you're posting inside of a Facebook event, all of the people who say they like the event are going or interested would be notified of your posting. So it's really essential and important to post in the event. One of the things that you can post is like a countdown that'll get people to sign up quicker. So let's do some posting. This is a form of marketing, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be doing another video on how to market the same event using Facebook ads. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you. And I'm going to go basically to the event. So this is the event that I'm going to market. So even though it's a free event, it's a meet and greet for my babysitting agency. So this is a form of marketing as well, like doing events, having people come out to the events and kind of introducing your services to them. So I am going to basically schedule some posts. I'm going to schedule a countdown. This particular event is scheduled on 10 days. I'm going to do a 10-day countdown. I am requiring that they register. So let's see, I may have to edit. What I want to do is actually place my Eventbrite link onto Facebook because I didn't do it for registration, but it is a way to do that. So let me just go to Eventbrite first. And then I need to grab that link. And then I'm going to show you how to post schedule in the event. This is marketing. Make sure you're doing this. If you have an event, make sure you are actually posting inside of the event. Because a lot of times it'll go unnoticed. If you're not posting, you're not getting any notifications. So just make sure you're doing that. Let's see, I thought I had an event up on already for registration. Let's see what I have going on. If not, I'll have to do a video on how to create a ticket, a free event for an event. Okay. Let's see what is going on. Manage events. Okay, so I don't have an event right now. I did. So let's see. Let's see, what can I do? So alrighty, so I just went ahead and paused the recording. Hopefully it's not lagging now. Looks like it is. But I have a link now. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this Eventbrite link onto my event on Facebook. So I'm just gonna go to this browser right here, copy. We're gonna paste it. I'm gonna edit the Facebook event. So one of the things you wanna make sure is that the picture is the same as the event on Facebook. That's the same on the Eventbrite, so they can know it's the same event. So we're going to click on edit. We clicked on edit to get to this part right here. I'm gonna put kid friendly. We're gonna add a ticket link. So one of the reasons that they're gonna come out is because I am providing cupcakes. Who doesn't like a good cupcake, right? So they are gonna come out because of that. So anytime you're doing a free event or some marketing event, food will always get people out. I'm gonna save that. So there we go. So we have the tickets here. So what I'm going to do, the purpose of this video is, of course, to show you the marketing part. So I'm going to write something, but I'm going to do a countdown. So I'm going to put, this is winging it. We look forward to meeting you. Be sure to register. Let's see, be sure to register. 10 days left to register for this free event. So I'm going to paste. Copy. I'm going to refresh because it's not showing the picture. You make sure when you are posting the link on Facebook, make sure the picture come up, and it will. The first time it may not come up when you're posting the Eventbrite link, but the second time it will. I'm just going to repaste it. And here we go. So we're gonna actually go ahead and post that. So everyone who's, and I haven't done really any marketing on this, I am though. So everybody who actually say they're interested in this is going to get that. And then I'm going to do another post. So I'm going to schedule right now. So I'm going to schedule this next post. So I'm going to put 9 days left to register for this free event. Be sure to register below. So I'm just going to paste that link, the Eventbrite link, because we want them to register. We can retarget. I'm going to do another video on how to retarget them too. So I'm scheduling this. Okay, we did one for today, so we'll do one for tomorrow, which is the 8th, and we're going to do it. Let's do tomorrow's Friday. It's a good time. It's 10 a.m. I'll schedule that, and that's done. And we're going to do another one for Saturday. This is a kid-friendly event. Be sure to come out and meet our trained babysitters who are on staff. We do require that you register at the below link. And I'm just going to paste the link. I already have it copied, so I'm just pasting it, and I'm going to schedule this one for, let's see, we're going to schedule this one for Saturday. Saturday at 10 o'clock is a good time to do it for. I'm also going to show my team. Normally, I don't do any like back end stuff like this. I do have a team to do this, but because I'm doing this video, I'm showing you all how to do this. This is a really good marketing technique. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch up some posts, and I am going to post a picture of cupcakes. You got to be visual when you're doing marketing. But a picture of cupcakes is going to be a really good picture to visualize. Let's see what kind of cupcakes are we done. I think this is a good one. So we're just going to Google some pictures. We're going to save this. We're going to save it on the document or downloads. There we go. And then we're just going to post that. So we're going to schedule it though, right? So we're going to go back to the Facebook event, and we're going to add a picture. I'm going to upload it onto the event, but we're going to schedule this out under downloads. There we go. There we go. And then we're going to upload that. We will have cupcakes. Free cup. Let me make sure I put free cupcakes. Along with along with the meeting, some of the babysitters that we have on staff. Be sure to register below for this event. I'm going to paste the link once because you want to make sure they have the link, and that way they get the event or the link. So we're going to schedule this one for Sunday. And we're going to schedule a good time to post is around 4 o'clock on a Sunday, and we're going to schedule it. And we're going to post again. I'm going to post this all the way out until I'm going to put, so it's 10 days left today. So on Sunday, it will be, I just caught that. So hopefully I may have to go back and edit my other posts. So we're going to do, so on the 10th, it will be 7 days left to register. So 7 days left to register, and we're going to schedule this for, actually, 6 days left because it's going to be on a Monday. So let's do schedule, post, and we're going to do this one for Monday. We're going to do that one around, let's do 10 a.m. Schedule. So I did partner, or we're not really partner, but we are going to be, we have a vendor coming out. They're going to be doing some arts and crafts. I'm going to advertise that as well. Let's see if I can figure out exactly what they're doing. I spoke with them yesterday on my page. And I can always go back. That's why I love Wix. I can always go back to my messages. So we would love to do a drawing for mothers. Let's see. Table to do some crafts with the kids, okay? So we're going to do some crafts. So we're going to look up some crafts. Kids crafts. So I don't know what kind of crafts. So I'm just going to just do any kind of picture. I don't know what kind of crafts they're going to be doing, but it's for a company. They're going to come out and vend. I'm going to let them talk about their business as well. I think that's a good one. So I'm going to post that one on the event. We're going to put upload, add picture. It's easy just to post a link, but you do want to kind of switch it up too. I'm going to open that. We will have someone who will have, let me see, I'm going to shout them out. The name of the company. Let's see, what's the name of this company? Blooming Smiles. Let's see if they're on Facebook. Blooming Smiles. There they go. Coming out to do some crafts with the children. With, let's see, with your kiddos. While they are doing crafts, you can find out more information about our services and what we do. Be sure to register below. So I'm going to paste. This was going to be, I'm going to take 10 days off. I'm going to schedule this one for Tuesday. Schedule post. I'm going to do this one around 11 o'clock a.m. Just testing out some posts. Schedule. And then I'm just going to just do a regular another post. So we'll do on Wednesday. It will be Wednesday. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 days left. 4 days left to register. Schedule post. 13. Do one at 5 o'clock p.m. and schedule. So it's just basically scheduling posts so they're notified. I am going to do a video on how to do a Facebook ad. Now I don't want to forget, so I'm just going to write this down the next video that I'm going to do. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. All righty, so I'm going to finish up this post. So we're going to do another post. So we're just basically scheduling. 3 days left to register. I'm going to remove that. It's going to be, we're going to schedule this for Thursday. So we're scheduling one every day. So one a day is good. You don't have to do like every day, but one a day is good. 14th. You want to do that one as test it out. Let's do 7 a.m. on Thursday. And then we're going to put another post. These are easier. I'm going to do a countdown. 2 days left to register for this free event. Got one for Friday, because the event is on the 17th. I'm going to do 8 a.m. Just testing out to see which ones are going to perform well. And then the last day to register for this event will be Saturday, the day before. So I'm going to put, this is the last day to register for this free event. I may have skipped a day. I know I have. But this is how you do it. Let's see, the 16th. And we're going to do a Saturday post you want to do in the morning. Let's see, schedule. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to do another video on how to organically market this. So one of the things that you're seeing is, even though they're scheduled out and you only see how many people say they're interested, 10 people say they're interested, that doesn't mean anything, because what I am going to do, just because 10 people are interested, before next week, I'm going to market this thing organically, and I'm going to do Facebook ads to get people to come out. And I'm only going to spend $1 a day on Facebook ads to get people to come out. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos so you can see how this thing is going to work out. But thank you all for watching this video, and have a great one.